Hello, welcome to our next episode on hypertension education. You can check our previous videos if this is your first time of watching this channel. Let's continue from remedies and management of hypertension. Preventing and managing hypertension, high blood pressure, is essential for reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other serious complications. According to the World Health Organization, lifestyle changes can help lower high blood pressure and can help anyone with hypertension. Many who make these changes will still need to take medicine. Here are the key strategies. 1. Healthy diet. A. Reduce salt intake. Limit sodium to 1,500 to 2,300 mg per day. Too much salt causes the body to retain water, which increases blood pressure. B. Increase fruits and vegetables. A diet high in potassium, fiber, and antioxidants helps counteract the effects of sodium. C. Choose whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Foods like whole grains, fish, nuts, and olive oil support heart health. D. Diet. The dietary approaches to stop hypertension. Diet is specifically designed to lower blood pressure. 2. Regular exercise. A. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week. Activities like walking, jogging, cycling, and swimming help improve heart health and reduce blood pressure. B. Strength training, including resistance exercises, like weights or bodyweight exercises, twice a week can also be beneficial. Before we continue, if you happily enjoy the video so far, hit subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification button. 4. Limit alcohol consumption, moderate intake. An addicted person who cannot quit alcohol at all should take not more than 1 drink per day for women and 2 for men. Excessive alcohol consumption can raise blood pressure. 5. Avoid tobacco use. Quit smoking. Smoking damages blood vessels and significantly increases blood pressure. Quitting can improve heart health almost immediately. 6. Manage stress. A. Practice relaxation techniques, meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, and mindfulness can reduce stress hormones, which in turn can lower blood pressure. B. Prioritize sleep. Poor sleep quality can contribute to high blood pressure, so aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night. 7. Regular blood pressure monitoring. Check blood pressure regularly. If you have hypertension, monitor your blood pressure at home and schedule regular checkups with your healthcare provider. 8. Medication. If prescribed, medication adherence. Take medication consistently and according to your doctor's instructions to manage blood pressure effectively. 9. Reduce caffeine intake. Monitor caffeine's effect on blood pressure. For some, caffeine can temporarily raise blood pressure, so moderation or reduction may be beneficial. 10. Limit processed foods and sugars. A. Minimize added sugars. High sugar intake can lead to weight gain and contribute to hypertension. B. Reduce processed foods. Many processed and packaged foods contain high levels of sodium and unhealthy fats. By adopting these lifestyle changes and working with healthcare providers as needed, individuals can effectively prevent or manage hypertension and reduce the risk of associated health complications. I will still urge you to subscribe to my channel for more health education like this, and thank you for watching. See you for our next episode.